Okay, this is problem 8.3.11, and we are solving by the elimination method. And there's decimals in this problem. So the first thing that we probably want to do is just clear the decimals because it makes the problem much easier to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply both equations by 10. Excuse me. And then when we distribute the 10, we're going to get 80x minus 90y equal to 85. And the bottom one, 70y minus 20x equal to negative 45. Okay, the other thing that needs to happen when we're doing an elimination problem is our variables need to be lined up. So we need to rewrite this second one so that our x variable is first. And that is so that we can see what we're working with. So we've got negative 20x plus 70y equal to negative 45. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we need to decide on which of these we're going to eliminate. And I'm going to choose to eliminate the x in this problem because it's much easier. I only have to, so to do the elimination, what we're wanting to do is make these numbers the same but opposite in sign. So in order to do that, I would only need to multiply this bottom equation here by a positive 4. That would get this up to a negative 80, and that will cancel with this positive 80 right here. If I wanted to eliminate the y, I'd actually have to multiply both equations because these would have to be taken up to 630. All right, so let's go ahead and multiply this second equation by 4. So we have negative 80x and positive 280y, because remember you need to distribute this 4 through the whole equation. And then this is equal to a negative, excuse me, a negative 180. Okay, so we can go ahead and add now. And these cancel, and they eliminate. This is why we call it the elimination method. So the 280 minus the 90 is 190y, and that is equal to, when we add these, negative 95. Okay, just continuing to solve for y here. If we divide by 190, then we get y is equal to negative 95 over 190, which if we reduce that, that reduces to a negative 1/2. Okay, so that's just the y coordinate. We also need to, excuse me, I've got something in my throat. We also need to find the x coordinate. So we're going to take this and plug that back in, and it actually doesn't matter which equation we plug it into. Any of them will work. I think I'll go ahead and just go back into that equation right there. So this is 80x minus 90y equal to 85, and we found that y is equal to a negative 1/2. Okay, so we're going to plug this negative 1/2 in right there for the y and find the x that goes with this. So minus 90 times negative 1/2 equal to 85. So we have 80x, the negative 90 and the negative 1/2 is positive 90 over 2 equal to 85, and 90 over 2 is 45. So we have 80x plus 45 equal to 85. And if we continue to solve for x here, subtract 45, then we have 80x equal to 40. And then we can divide by 80. And x is equal to 1/2 when we reduce that. So your solution here, your ordered pair solution, is 1/2 for the x and negative 1/2 for the y. And that's it for this problem.